Most people fall in love quite a few times in their lives.
What do you think?
Oh my God, I never see Tao big like this in my life.
Big turtle.
Yeah.
You saw baby shark.
Yeah.
I saw
Crazy.
some fish.
You saw your yellow fish.
Yellow fish.
The best love is the kind that awakens the soul, that makes us reach for more, that plants a fire in our hearts and brings peace to our minds. And that's what you've given me. That's what I hope to give to you forever.
Most of all, I'm scared of walking out of this room and never feeling the rest of my whole life the way I feel when I'm with you. Goodbye.
Holy shit.
Well, mature love is more mature love has something of the other kind of love in it and something more. It's tender, unselfish, cooperative.
You love me?
Huh?
You love me?
Yes. You love me?
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me?
Yes, I love you.